Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you haven't visited before, it's a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. It's a great resource for seeing how we do proper engineering sound foundation repair. So there are so many videos on those YouTube and Facebook pages where you can see exactly from A to Z how we do all of our different repairs. Here today, we're looking at a project in Kansas City, Missouri, kind of near Raytown. This is one of our 4-step full scope foundation repair projects. A little bit on the smaller scale compared to some of our recent ones. We just have 2 piers we're going to be installing under the footing and 4 wall braces. Right now, we have our 6x6 treated wood support post, 30-ton bottle jacks, and angle iron. That's temporarily bolted down. So here later today, we are going to be straightening this wall back to its correct vertical position. You can see a lot of the cracking going on. I don't know if you can catch it right there, but we are looking at daylight, so this is some pretty severe cracking going on this foundation. So once we get that wall vertical, we'll get the piers installed under the footing from the outside. We've already have all the dirt dug down to the footing, relieving that outside pressure that caused this wall to lean inward in the first place. So now that that's done, we just have 2 King Pier 2 holes we're going to be getting the excavation started on later today. You can see a lot of signs of water infiltration coming through the cracking here. We will get that all sealed up. So again, just to go over the 4 steps of our full scope foundation repair projects. Step number 1 is straightening the wall, which we're going to be doing later today. Number 2 is installing our King Pier footing support pier system under the footing that the foundation wall is setting on. We'll get the holes excavated later today. Number 3, once we have the wall vertical and the footing is at its correct level elevation, we can then go ahead and start getting all of the cracks on the wall sealed. A lot of these we should be able to just directly epoxy inject. It doesn't look like we will have to do any kind of drilling for ports. These look wide enough. We can just directly inject that epoxy, and that's going to make sure that water is not going to be able to infiltrate through this wall in the future once that's done. And then the 4th and final step is the wall brace installation. We have our wall braces already right here. 4 steel H-beam wall braces, and that is what we are going to install to ensure that the wall remains vertical. So we should be able to have everything done towards the end of this week. A lot of the excavation is already finished. The 2 holes for the pier should go pretty quickly, so we may be able to get those installed tomorrow and complete the wall brace installation, all the crack repair tomorrow as well. And then Friday should just be a backfill day. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook pages, King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly at 1-816-288-4373.